In this video, we will learn how to find rank of past students in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some student data with the marks of the every student with the total marks and the result fail and pass also. So we going to calculate the rank of past students. Just select the cell. Enter the is equal to. Enter the if. Tab. Select the first cell of result is equal to double quote. Enter the pass double quote comma sum product function, then enter the 2 time minus bracket. Select the result column, press the F4 to log the cell is equal to double quote pass, then double quote bracket close comma double minus in bracket. Select the total marks column, press F4 again to log this cell. It's greater than first cell of total marks bracket close 2 times and plus 1 comma double quote minus double quote again bracket close and just enter. Now drag this formula below range. That's it. Hope you understand. This is, you can see the first rank 360 marks, second rank 310, third rank 280. The sixth rank you can say 210 is sixth rank student. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.